Why would I switch that down for a pink? Woo! Woo!
Everything I heard was a lie. So you can't tell me how to feel. Cause I'ma feel how I feel. No, you can't tell me how to feel. Cause I'ma feel how I feel.
Welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, this whole look, this ensemble I put together for y'all, my accessories with the matching makeup, go ahead, stay tuned for this video. Keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all how I got this look. If you recreate, please tag me. This is the look that y'all asked me to film and recreate. I posted a poll on Instagram and I asked y'all what look that y'all want to see. So yeah, the butterfly look won. And that's what I got for you guys here today. So stay tuned. And yeah, it's not much to it but to do it. So we're gonna get right into this video. And guess what, y'all? It's a voiceover. I bet y'all didn't think I could do it, huh? Y'all didn't think I could do it. Cause I'm getting tough with the editing skills. Finger what a rock is.
These hoes couldn't test me, even if the name
Was pop quiz.
Mad bitches who I fuck with, mad bitches we don't fuck with.
Okay, so we're getting started with my eyeballs already done off camera. Right now, what you see me adding, I'm just adding slits in my eyebrows, give me an edgier look. This step is optional. This is just what I do. And I don't do this every day, but I decided to do it here. So right now, yeah, I'm just cutting those slits in my eyebrows. And now what you see me doing is I'm just going back in under that eyebrow, cleaning it up with a flat concealer brush, and then I'm dragging it down. And then right here you see me just patting out that concealer, blending it out some. And then next you'll see me going with my beauty blender, and that just, allows for more blendage. Okay, and then I'm going in with my 35H palette. I love this palette. It's perfect. I'll be starting off with the peachy pink, like a pink orange pink. And then you'll just see me roll that into the inner corner of my eyelid, about midway through the brow. Just packing that color on, packing it on nice and heavy. And you'll notice I do both my eyes at the same time. I just find that easier versus doing all one eye, then trying to remember the colors I did and going back in and doing the opposite eye. So whatever you see me doing to the left eye, I'm doing to the right eye. Okay, here you see me going right back into that same palette, taking that teal color and blending it into the pink, from the middle of my eyebrow to the outer corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side as well. And right here, you just get a closer look at what I'm doing. That's all. Nothing too special, y'all. This voiceover thing is just so new to me. Tell me what y'all think. And it's just really, I feel like I'm giving y'all very much passive. You don't get to see my energy on camera, how I am in front of the camera and stuff. And then this is the 39S palette. I'm going to take this deep hot pink and go ahead and add some dimension to that orangey pinky color. I would just be using this pink color to deepen it up. Deepen it up, add some layers just so when we go ahead and cut our crease later, we see the different levels of color. You know what I'm saying? Like I said earlier, everything you see me doing to the right eye, I'm doing to the left eye. I'm not feeling this eye so much, but this eye right here is definitely giving. I'm not sure why it turned out like this, but I fix it in the end, and sometimes it's just what it is. I'm going in with the navy blue, and I'm going to be deepening and enhancing that aqua blue color we use. And like I said, this is just so we get those different levels of color, different dimensions. So when you cut your crease, all of those colors are seen. I don't think I mentioned this, but anytime I'm doing eyeshadow, you want to move your brush in a circular motion, like I'm doing so here, and that's just to ensure that you get the best color payoff as possible. And then you also have control in which direction you want your eyeshadow looks to go. You can do angle eyeshadows. It's just so many different ways. This is just how I do my eyeshadow. I feel like it's best. Get a closer look right here. Yes, girl. Yes. We're gonna go in with that purple. Basically, what I'm doing with this purple is anywhere the pink and the blue meets, I'm adding that purple because you know pink and blue makes purple. So where those colors meet, I'm just adding that purple to help it have a finished look, a smooth transition. You know, it's giving very much a rainbow. So that's what I'm doing with the purple. And then you see I'm also keeping that purple in my crease area. That's where I'm going to use my concealer, cut that crease. Okay, and then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color tan. It's really light. I put that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take a small, flat, and round concealer brush to go ahead and cut my crease. And where I figure out where I basically want to cut my creases is just where you see all of those different colors I add, where they all meet and all of the colors are still visible. That's where I want to cut my crease, directly right under that, so then we're able to see all of the colors. I hope that's making sense. Like right here, you can see where we added that peachy orange pink, that hot pink, and then I'm cutting my crease right there. That's where you want to cut your crease at. Okay, and right here, I'm just taking an empty concealer brush and drying down the concealer so it's not wet and it doesn't transfer to my lid. And then I'm going to take the silver and the pink shimmer shade and apply that to my lid. Oops. Uh-oh.
Shit right with a full clip, tank top for their loan right now. A whistle for fools, they walk up and face shit. Now you a hotter balloon. Both for trouble, my ones ain't jumping like a wind's on Dennis. Can't stop a shit at the.
Okay, after adding that silver and the pink to my lid, I'm going to smoke out that pink with navy blue just to blend it all together. And then I'm just going to start on the other eye and do the exact same thing. So spit up.
Don't know how to say, ain't the hard man work.
You do your foundation? Not yet. I don't wear foundation, but I didn't do my base yet, my face.
And that's the thing. Foundation looks that bad.
Wow, the darkest one I just put my foundation looks that Hello, sister girl. That would be my skinny look on thanks. But yeah, just showing what I did on the other eye right here. So somehow I lost my brush from the left eye, from my right eye to the left eye. And then we got a nice little slow-mo for you. Get into the details. You see it. You see it.
Okay, now we're gonna do my base. 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 Now we're gonna do my base.
This HD concealer in the color Cool Tan, applying that to the basic areas of my face that everybody applies their highlighter to. I do not use foundation, I only use concealer, so I'm adding that, and then you'll see me go in with a lighter concealer, that same concealer I used earlier, Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just dabbing that onto the base of my cheeks for a little more of a highlight. And waiting for that to get a little bit tacky, and then we're going to blend it out. Right now I'm just on my phone lollygagging while I wait for that to dry. And then we're taking a darker Tarte Shape Tape and we're going to put that on my cheeks, under my chin and my forehead to contour my face. This is really like the same color as my skin, so it just tones down my highlighter and makes me not look ashy or whatever the case may be. I really just contour with powder. This color I'm using now just adds color to my face. Yo, my lips are so dry, I had to get some gloss. Next, you'll see me just add a little bit of blue. I'm just making those colors stronger that faded a little bit, adding some more pigment back into my eyeshadow look, so my look is strong, period. It's time to bake. And this is what I use, and I love it. I swear by it. Next, you see me about to contour. When I contour, I need a red brown. I can't use a regular brown because it makes me look gray. So I need that red pink undertone while I contour, and that's why you see me use the colors that I use. And then I'll just be applying that to all of the places where I'm not baking at. And for this particular look, I chose to go with a thinner lash because I feel like there's a lot of detail, a lot of colors going on, and I don't want a thicker lash that would take away from the look. Okay, and then you'll see me going in with a pink shade, blue shade, and a purple shade, and just putting that in my waterline. And then I'm taking a big fluffy brush with nothing on it. I'm wiping away that powder. And then you see me taking this blush brush, this blush trio from Anastasia. And I don't know how many times I have to tell y'all, but peach and orange blush on black girls are the one and not the two. And then I'll be going in with my face powder to just take away any ashiness that may have been left from my baking. And then I'm going in with this highlighter that I ordered off Amazon. I love it. It just came cracked. And then you'll see me taking that same round fluffy brush, face brush, to dull down any of the highlighter that may be giving too much.
What do I gotta do? Finishing touches. I gotta... What do I have to do? Oh. I have to add my lip. And then my accessories. And then I'll come back when it's finished. Amazon, courtesy of Amazon. I'll put the link in my description box, but literally all you have to do is go on Amazon and search butterfly clips, and they have a different array of colors, styles, flavors for y'all. Pick the color that you want. When you recreate this look, tag me, give me my prompts. I know I didn't start this trend first. I'm just gonna go ahead, add these in my hair, put them where I want them, and then we're gonna take some pictures. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoy these pictures, because this is not the end of the video. Watch for the pictures, because they're going to be inserted. Period. Alexa, resume. Can't get copyrighted.
And yes, y'all, I took these pictures myself using my Canon camera and the Canon app. These photos right here were taken on my phone using my ring light and that timer you see in my hand. You see the walker, y'all. Y'all see it. I'm still recovering, and it's still getting very much daddy. Yes, we love to see it. But y'all, I have to admit, taking these pictures was freaking tiring.
But y'all get the gist. You get it. You see it. You see it. You like it. You love it. Period. That's why you're going to like, comment, subscribe to this video. My channel. Period. And I said what I said.
Everything I heard was a lie. So you can't tell me how to feel. Cause I'ma feel how I feel. No, you can't tell me how to feel. Cause I'ma